All the way back? All right. So, how do you want to be remembered? Do you want to be remembered because of what? Do you want to be remembered as a family man? Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. Hello, how you doing, man?
Being able to do stuff with your family, spend time with your family, make memories and stuff with your family. Oh, excuse me. So again, how do you want to be remembered? What do you want to be remembered by? So my family, I went to 2024 White House Easter egg roll.
Are we just rolling? Are we doing it now?
Do we get? Is this a sanctioned race?
All right, well then go. Do it.
Go, Larry. Go. So we race everything here at Bill Right Repeat. We're racing eggs at the 2024 White House egg roll. Oh! Yeah! Come on, Larry, you got it. You can do it, Larry. Uh-oh, come on, you got it. Come on. Yeah! Good job, baby boy. Good job. Yay! Yay!
Yeah, go ahead and finish.
What do you want to be remembered for? Do you want to be remembered for material items or the moments you spend with your family? Yes, riding is important. Riding your motorcycle, but also spending time with your family, building memories and everything. So I got little dude here. He's racing his egg. Yay! All right. Yeah. Good job. I think he's finished.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Got my little guy. He's a racer. My little baby right here, she's a racer too.
Yeah, my husband got it. My little kids are out here doing an egg roll.
Appreciate it, sir. Appreciate everything. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah, so how do you want to be remembered? How do you think people will remember you? Material possessions are awesome, but the main thing is inculcating others. You know, invest in people. People are more important than material things, because at the end of the day, we can't take any of this stuff with us. So how do you want to be remembered? Do you want to be remembered as a person with nice things, or do you want to be remembered as a person who taught somebody important things? That's what my pro-fight brother Arthur Edward King, properly known as Flop by his family and friends, he invested in people, just like his other siblings and his parents did. So the main thing is invest in people, invest in memories, because at the end of the day, we can't take any of this stuff with us. So what do you want to do?
All right, I'm up pretty early. I have an Omega service to attend for my pro fight, Omega service / funeral today, and probate new member presentation for Beta chapter at Howard University. So it's gonna be a pretty long day, but the good thing is I'll be on my bike and I won't have to be in traffic like I would like if I was in a cage. So that's the one good thing about today. So it's gonna be a pretty long day. So here we go.
And all God's children say together, Amen. There will be a familial repast downstairs.
One more time, no flop.
All right, Pro Fight. Love you. Bless you, man. Yep. It's my Pro Fight. So how do you want to be remembered? Do you want to be remembered as somebody who poured into people? Or do you want to be remembered as somebody who took away from people? Yeah, this is definitely an awesome tribute to my Pro Fight brother, Arthur Edward King, also known as Flop. It's kind of almost unreal that, you know, he's no longer here in the physical, but he'll live on forever with all the lessons, discussions, conversations, debates that he's had with people. And that's the thing. How do you want to be remembered?
Let's go!
Come on.
Move back!
Sir,
Move!
back up.
Move!
Scoot back.
How y'all feel? We on DND! How y'all feel? We on DND!
Come on.
How y'all feel? We on DND!
Come on, Tail.
That's the mama Take the top up, man.
Big close, not the little one.
Take your time, rep, man. Take your time. Grit it out. Yeah, boys. All right. Let's go, 12. Come on, number. Take your time, baby. What you hear? What you hear? What up, man? What did you hear?
They always blaming Beta. What?
Beta.
Blaming Beta. What?
Blaming Beta. Beta. Let's go. Come on. Mama, can't you see? Mama, can't you see? What them offers done to me?
Yeah, Phil.
Standing bold. Standing bold. For the mighty black and gold. Yeah, boy. Mama, can't you see? Say that shit back to you, see. The pain. Come on, boy. The chapter's done to me. The chapter's done. What do we do? Standing strong, standing bold. Come on, Phil.
Yeah, Phil.
For the mighty black and gold. For the mighty. Bring it down. All of my life. Yeah! Say that shit. All of my love, peace and happiness, I'm gonna give it to happiness, I'm gonna give it to Alpha. Come on, on, man. You almost there. You almost there. Get these notes out your mouth. You almost home.
You almost home, bro. We finna take it.
Almost home. They here for you, Go Shirt. They here for you.
Please. Always been easy.
What's up, Stino?
Yes, Dino.
Oh, guys, this struggle.
From what?
From day to day. Talk to me, Smash. Talk to me, man.
So how we overcome.
When we leave, yeah! Tell our story, yeah! Tell the whole wide world, this is Alpha territory, it's in my heart, yeah! That's no lie, yeah! I'll be a better ass
to an Omega service and a probate in the same day, which is crazy. So for some who don't know, an Omega service for members of Alpha Phi Fraternity Incorporated is basically a service where deceased members are inducted into our Omega chapter. The Omega chapter is our chapter of Sweet Rest. And right now I am at Howard University with the beta chapter of Alpha Phi Alpha and their probate and their spring 2024 initiates. So I literally just saw the beginning and ending in one day. Ooh. So Flop was 82, would have been 83 May 5th. And these guys, 19, 20, 21, that's 60 some odd years difference. If you want to be remembered and make an impactful memory for folks, and if you want to live forever, invest in people. Invest in people. That's all I can say. Or as Flop would say, be sure to inculcate others. Look that up. But I'm grateful of my pro-fight. I'm grateful of the stories and the many stories and many lessons that I have learned from him vicariously and instructed. Thank you guys for tuning in. This really meant a lot to me to see my pro-fight off in grand fashion and come see these new bros. Look, if you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to right here on Build, Ride, Repeat, and invest in others. Invest in people.